one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. My beloved, I'm bringing my presence to you, my refreshment, my healing love. For I am the Lord who loves you with a love that is forever, a love that is always new and fresh. Do not be afraid, for I wipe away the tears of the night, and I bring strength and joy anew in the morning. I'm bringing my peace to you, as I unfold the beauty of my love, as I reveal the tenderness of my heart. I love you with my whole being, for I gave up all so that you could receive all. Do not be afraid, but trust in me, that I am the Lord who is the giver of every good and perfect gift. I am the Lord who has called and chosen you from the very beginning. Trust in me, that I am there by your side, the Lord who is filling you anew, the Lord who is filling you again with my love, filling you afresh with my presence. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.